In this video, we will show you the cleaning procedure for both Quantit and Quantit SL. We recommend to be 2 persons to do the cleaning procedure, one in the receiving end and 1 person at the sending station. You need a cleaning kit from Quantit APS, consisting of a filter bag, cleaning sponges, and an ActiChlor tablet. Please note, if you have a Tempus 1800 system, you need grey sponges, and if you have a Tempus 600 system, you need white sponges. For cleaning, you also need a liter of water and a container. Dissolve the ActiChlor tablet completely in the water before starting the cleaning process. Put the cleaning sponges in the cleaning solution. Make sure the cleaning sponges are wet by squeezing and releasing them in the cleaning solution 3 times. Now you can start the cleaning process. Cleaning sponges are single-use only. Do not leave the cleaning sponges in the cleaning solution for more than max 30 minutes. The cleaning sponges might expand and become too large and can get stuck inside the system. The cleaning solution must be used the same day. Discharge the cleaning solution by pouring it into the sink. We recommend to perform the cleaning on each Tempus system at least once a month. Normal cleaning is done with 5 cleaning sponges. Cleaning after blood spill is done with at least 3 times 5 cleaning sponges. When many sample tubes are being sent, we recommend to perform the cleaning procedure more often. Please always follow local procedures for cleaning. Important: never use alcohol-based cleaning agents for cleaning inside the Tempus systems. Today we will demonstrate a normal cleaning. The cleaning procedure starts at the terminal in the receiving end. Log in as a user with a password 9041. Choose the specific system for cleaning. Press the cleaning icon. Choose normal cleaning. The system will continue to send the samples already in the pipeline and then start the cleaning process. At the receiving station, open the door and remove the pipe from the pipeline you wish to clean. Attach the filter bag and ensure that the top of the filter bag is securely fastened. Acknowledge that the filter bag is put on. Go to the sending station and send the cleaning sponges. When the Quantit is ready for cleaning, the terminal is showing drops and circling blue light, and there's a constant green light in the button next to the cleaning or urgent drawer. Press the button for opening the drawer. Gently squeeze 1 sponge at a time and put 5 sponges into the cleaning or urgent drawer. The cleaning sponges has to be within the lines. Close the drawer by pressing the button again, and the cleaning sponges will be sent to the filter bag. When the green light is flashing, the Quantit is sending the cleaning sponges. When the green light is constant again, you can send more cleaning sponges if needed, or finish the cleaning process. If it's a blood spill cleaning, keep sending sponges until they are clear of blood. Go to the receiving end to complete the cleaning procedure. Press the Stop Cleaning icon. Go to the receiving station and remove the filter bag. Put the pipe back on again. It's important that the end of the pipe labeled top is up and the pipe is pressed all the way into the holding bracket. Acknowledge Back Off on the terminal. Log out as a user by pressing the user icon. Press Home to go to the overview. Now you can see the specific system is ready for sending samples again.